Right, and Richard's just given the second little replica a wipe over. I like that. I think that's different, that.
Yeah. I like the drill.
So we've got a couple of little replicas in. There we go. If she fires up, Rich, jump in and fire it up. Just turned key and she was away earlier. We've left the hood up on this one so you can see the condition of it. Well, she might need a bit of throttle, Rich, but she started straight up for me. You got cramped the other day trying to get in something. Hang on. There you go. There she goes. Yeah, no, she started straight up for me. Sounded lovely. Well, if you want something completely different, I think we've got a couple of options here for you guys. The fire's gone out. Anyway, you can see it works. You've heard it working. I've actually driven it. Drove it down the road off the transporter when it arrived this morning. Felt okay to me. So come down, have a look, and see if it's one for you. See if you can get in it. Obviously Richard's been able to get in it and he's 6 foot something like, so I think you should be able to get in it, unless you're like 28 stone or something. Other than that, yeah, so bob down, check it out, make sure it's one for you.